So this one is the closer look for Iron Man Superior or Superior Iron Man ng Marvel Legends. Yan. So alternate hand and alternate head na to, no? So yun yung back niya. Hi guys, so welcome to Ronan and Beyond. So now i-unbox natin yung Marvel Legends or ML na tinatawag nila. ML series Superior Iron Man. Alam ko sa comics pa lang ito. Then as per box is si Red Skull yung kalaban nila with this one. So yan. Zoom lang natin camera. Okay, so unbox natin. If mag-unbox kayo, much better na gumamit kayo ng cutter, no? And then sa ilalim nyo lang start.